danger. Faces look ugly when you're alone.
Jamie Madrox fondly recalls his first attempts at artistic expression.
All the films that I made when I was a little kid were just extensions of me trying to be creative.
When he was about eight years old, he just grabbed the cat and put it in the microwave.
Yeah, it was a very ugly incident, actually.
Jamie! What are you doing?
I know he took the family cat, Puffy, and put it in the microwave, and you know, Puffy was a suitable name for the cat after that.
It's when you stop the creative process, that's when you endanger the child. I'm just thankful my parents let me do what I had to do.
Poor Puffy.
I've seen some of the films. I've heard the stories. I mean, it's a masterpiece.